Good. Wagwan, Dios. This is Rush the Russian coming to you with another spectacular vlog.
The man must sound as good as me.
Cannot see, I'm legally blind.
Anyways, Wagwanius. My name is Rustem Rashan. Coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. This man right here is camera shy, so I'm hide from the camera. We'll take a tour of the complex. This is the wonderful lake. Trying a job. Alright, my Jamaican people improve himself. Improve himself, people, my Jamaican. Trying a job. Well, alright, now let me see if me can do it.
Your favorite. Yeah, idiot.
You can climb this. Alright. Go on. Prove yourself. Let's see how good him be. Which part of Jamaica he come from. Good enough. You prove yourself, man. Yeah, man, you're fit, man, you're fit. You're fit, we give you that. You fit people. Easy thing. I mean, they do good still. Never expect you to go up there. You do good still. Yeah, man, you see, you get tired. Yeah, that's why I'm telling you to go to the gym with me. If you didn't go to the gym, you would be so tired right now. But I'm sure something can do it. So hold on for this. I'm sure you can do it. Alright, that's alright.
Good. Good.
We fall down but we get up. We fall down, but we get up. Oh yes, for a saint is just a sinner who's down, but we couldn't stay there. And
No, that doesn't edit. That's supposed to edit. That's supposed to edit.
Oh my god, edit out that one there.
No, that's a bit funny part.
No, sir. Well, I expect that one. That one there was a plan, people. Oh boy. Alright. Yeah, man, that proves that I'm gonna come for a country. That's why them say, you know, for show off, you know, everybody for know their limits, right? Now one I must go viral. One I must go viral. After go in and now come for call 911. I feel too well. Yeah man, but if you enjoy the video, want to like, subscribe and leave a comment below so you know what I think. Yeah, none to say man. None to say. Alright guys.
Io firma idiot.
Rasta